So whenever you buy crypto coins from any exchange, it remains on the exchange. These exchanges are centralized exchange. They keep their funds on their own accounts. So it is not safe to keep funds in the exchanges for the long time. So these exchanges may disable your account anytime. Or you can say that they have authority to disable your account, or these exchanges may be hacked, or whatever, there are many problems. So whenever you want to keep your funds for the long time, you always need a crypto wallets, which are decentralized. Only you have access of these wallets. So today we will discuss about Trust Wallet, and I will show you that how you can create Trust Wallet account. This is one of the best crypto wallet. So please do not miss any part of this video. Otherwise maybe you will lose your fund for forever. So let's begin our video. First you have to open this application on your App Store or Play Store. So currently I am using iPhone. So you have to search Trust Wallet and you will see this application. Now let me install this application. So here you can see Trust Wallet application has been installed on our iPhone. Click on open, get started. So here you can see two options: create a new wallet, add existing wallet. Previously if you have already created Trust Wallet account, you can click on add existing wallet, and here you will have to give your secret keys. So currently we don't have any Trust Wallet account, so click on create new wallet. Now here you have to set the passcode. This will be used for every transactions, and whenever you open this application, you can set any passcode. Now this is the main part of this video. Protect your asset by backing up your seed phrase now. There is the option to skip, but do not skip this part. Otherwise you can't re-access your wallets. In future if you want to access your wallet on new application or another smartphone, then you will need secret phrase key. So here you can see there are two options: backup manually, backup to iCloud. I will recommend to do backup manually. Click on backup manually. Now here you have to read these things. Trust Wallet does not keep a copy of your secret phrase. Now it says do not take screenshot, text files or emailing yourself. These keys are everything for your wallet. You cannot log in using your email, password, but you can access your account using these keys. Write down your secret phrase and store in your offline location. It is always recommended, as I told you before. Now click on continue. Now you have to write these keys on notepad, but do not save these phrases on your cell phone, on emails or anywhere where you can access your internet. You have to save these keys offline. So I have write all these keys on notepad. On continue you have to verify all these keys which you have write on the notepad. Click on continue. Now it says confirm the second word. Second word was coin and third word was make and 11th word was series. Click on confirm. Alright. So here you can see it says welcome. Your wallet is now ready to use. Start using Trust Wallet. So our wallet is now ready. So whenever you uninstall this application, or if you want to access this wallet on any other smartphone, then you must have the secret phrase keys. So let me show you some other option of the Trust Wallet. Click on the setting, wallets. Still if you do not have your secret phrase keys, you can click here, click on the manual, type your passcode, click on continue. So again you have secret phrase keys, write down your keys, click on the back button, you can set the name of your wallet, and that's all. So here you can find the main coins. Now let's say if you want to deposit or receive any coin which is not available here, just click on the search and let's say USDT. Here you can find the USDT of all the networks: USDT Ethereum, USDT Tron, Solana, BNB Smart Chain. Let's say I want USDT Tron. Click here. To receive funds, you can click on the receive and you get address. And if you want to send the Tron coin, if you have, you can click on the send and paste your address. Now here you can find USDT in your list. So I hope you understand that how you can create Trust Wallet account. In the next video, I will show you that how to use swap function, how to discover coins, how to use metaverse. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. See you in the next video.